Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Debadritabeauty, and in case you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In today's video, I will be talking about 3 products that you can actually use as your makeup primer. You guys know makeup primer is really important that create a smooth base for your makeup applications. But the makeup primers are sometimes so expensive or loaded with chemicals, and that's why I switched to one of them as my primer, and they works amazingly like the store-bought primers, and also they have fewer chemicals that hardly can be toxic to my body or my skin. And they also have a protective formula against the pollution or the outside elements. That means you will get a healthier skin. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first product I will be talking about is the Aloe Vera Gel from the brand Patanjali. You can use any Aloe Vera Gel of your choice, but I would definitely recommend you to use this because I am using it on everyday basis. Now this Aloe Vera Gel not only fills the wrinkles and small pores on your face to create a very smooth base for the makeup application, but also it controls the shine of the oily skin, and as a result, your makeup will look a lot more even, and also throughout the day it will last long. Also, Aloe Vera Gel has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and this can make the Aloe Vera Gel to control the sebum production on your face, and that's why it's really great primer for the oily skin and acne prone skin tone. Now what you have to do is take a very little amount of this Aloe Vera Gel and spread a thin layer all over your face, and definitely take a moment to that your primer or the Aloe Vera Gel absorb properly on your skin before applying the makeup. It may feel little bit tacky, but your makeup will go very smoothly. So this is a big thumbs up from my side as a makeup primer. So the next product I will be talking about is the Lacto Calamine lotion. You guys know this product is so much popular from a long period of time because I have seen my mom using this product. Can you believe? So if you are a normal to dry skin beauty, you can definitely buy the normal one, but oily skin people buy the oil balance one. Now the Lacto Calamine lotion has 3 main ingredients that definitely make you to use this product as a makeup primer. The first ingredient, it has kaolin that will absorb the excess oil from your face without absorbing the minerals and nutrients. So it will mattify your skin before the foundation application and make your makeup look lasting. The next ingredient it has is zinc oxide. Now zinc oxide has anti-germ property and also helps in unclogged pores, and also it protects your skin from UVA and UVB, so it definitely has a SPF property, so you don't have to apply another sunscreen or anything if you are applying it as a makeup primer. And I want to mention one thing, that if you see the ingredient list of most of the primers, the main ingredient present is glycerin, because glycerin has the sticking property which a primer needs. And guess what? Yes, glycerin is present in the Lacto Calamine lotion that will retain as a natural moisturizer and also prevent your skin from excessive dryness. So even you are applying a matte foundation or loose powder, anything, your skin will be most glowier if you use it as a makeup primer. Now it's also so cheap and affordable. It's priced at only 75 rupees. So from my side, I will definitely recommend you to use it as a makeup primer. So the third and final product I will be talking about is from a brand Biotique. You guys are thinking that Biotique is a skincare brand. Yes, but I am talking about their serum. This is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Visibly Ageless Dandelion Serum, which is all skin type. This works amazingly as a primer. This is the outer packaging and this is the bottle looks like. Its consistency is most like a primer than a serum. It's white in color, spreads evenly in my skin tone, absorbs into my skin tone very nicely and give me a smooth base for foundation and others makeup application. It has glycerin, badam oil, roots oil, etc. that will make your makeup long lasting and gives you a healthy glow to your makeup application. I would definitely recommend you to buy this product and use it as a makeup primer, and also you can use it to your nighttime skincare routine. This is priced at 230 rupees and this is so affordable, so I would recommend you to use this as a primer. So those are the products that works amazingly for my skin as a makeup primer, and that's why I am recommending you guys to use that, because these are so affordable and these are the various way to use the products in your routine, makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot, and if you guys like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of my future videos and notifications. All the social media links and the product details will be given below in the bottom bar, so check that out. I will see you guys super soon. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and stay healthy. I will be talking about as a makeup primer is that DIT is, wow, DIT. What is DIT? It's called this.